Are you looking for Dunwork? Dunwork, they're the best 3D printers for home. I am diving into a hands-on review of Dunwork. Dunwork, the best 3D printers for home. It's one of the top-rated items on Amazon right now. I'll walk you through the features, share my honest experience. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get future reviews. And let you know if it's really worth your money. Let's get into it. Number 1, Bambu Lab H2D. Note: compatibility alert. ACE Pro for Cobra 3 is not compatible with the Cobra S1. However, if you already own an ACE Pro for Cobra 3, you can purchase an upgrade kit to make it work with the Cobra S1 for multicolor printing. Also, update to firmware version 2.4.8.3 or later to unlock additional features. For the best printing experience, please review all compatibility details before purchase. Its hotbed can consistently maintain a maximum temperature of 120, matching a variety of filaments: PLA, TPU, ASA, ABS, PETG. Multiple nozzle sizes: 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8 mm. One-click printing. Self-operated model library. Mako Online offers a vast collection of high-quality model resources from over 3,000 designers worldwide, all available for free. Number 2, Bambu Lab X1C. High-speed printing, capable of printing at speeds up to 500 mm per second, depending on material, ensuring faster print times without compromising quality. AMS, Automatic Material System, supports multi-material printing through the Automatic Material System, allowing the printer to swap filaments automatically during prints. Carbon fiber reinforced frame. The printer features a durable carbon fiber frame, offering superior strength, rigidity, and overall structural integrity. Smart user interface, equipped with a responsive touchscreen display for easy navigation of settings and monitoring of prints. Supports remote monitoring via Wi-Fi, allowing users to check print progress and receive notifications. Number 3, Prusa Core 1. 5x high speed, more than 65% shorter time when printing the same model. The maximum print speed is 250 mm per second, recommended print speed is 150 mm per second. Ensures a perfect blend of precision and performance, empowering you to bring your ideas to life with unparalleled speed and accuracy. New integrated extruder. Their newly upgraded extrusion system and cooling system melt filaments quickly through the 60W hot end. At the same time, it is equipped with a 7,000 RPM cooling fan to ensure rapid cooling and molding of the model. LeveIQ 2.0 automatic leveling. With the design of a unique module, the Z-axis offset is intelligently compensated after automatic leveling, and the Z-axis compensation value is supported to meet the needs of different users and usage scenarios, so as to start creation efficiently and easily, and also for novices. Build volume: L*W*H220 mm 220 mm 250 mm. Number 4, Chidi Plus 4. Ultra high speed, faster and more efficient. Fulzon T1 Pro upgrade, maximum speed 1000 mm per second and 30,000 mm² acceleration. It is 20 times faster than the other normal 3D printer. Printing model time saves half the time. Auto calibration with one tap. Just touch the screen and the leveling job is done, perfect for professionals and beginners. Delta 3D printer, stable and long-term usage. Ultra stable all-metal frame, 0.3 mm thickness aluminum heat bed plate, 9 mm width belt, 12 mm linear rail width, ensures smooth and stable printing, and no need for frequent maintenance. Direct drive extruder, easy warpless print. ABS, ASA, PETG, PA, PC, GF, CF, PLA filament. Variety of printing filaments meet the needs of different users. Number 5, Creality High. Multicolor 3D printing with CFS. Creality High combo, innovative multicolor 3D printer. Not another reiteration but a brand new innovation. You can now print visually stunning models in multicolors and up to 16 colors with for CFS. The CFS also offers auto filament selection, switch, and relay, as well as airtight storage for filament. Easy support removal by multi-material printing. CFS now makes post-processing much easier. By creating the support structures in a separate material, they can be snapped away or are water-soluble. The support marks in the 3D model are hardly detectable. 500mm high-speed printing. Their X and Y axis of Creality Hi are driven by step servo motors with FOC algorithms. This has made ultra-smooth motion possible for Creality Hi combo with a speed up to 500 mm per second with a max acceleration of 12,000 ms². Highly pre-assembled and easy 3D printing. 95% highly pre-assembled. A responsive 3.2-inch touch screen that can be folded away for a smaller footprint, and a boot-up quick guide to help you set everything ready. A webcam to capture time-lapse photography for sharing and to monitor print in real time, built-in camera cap for privacy protection.